we're back in the game. Oh, God. I don't know where you are, boy. First, I'm trying to get up high. Hey, it's not nice to shoot while I'm trying to do epic parkour. Sorry, I keep holding this at the wrong. Oh, gosh. Who shot me? Tintin, kill Tintin. Good job, AKS. We'll use our Hitman pistols together. Do you have the pet dragon? What are you doing, Tintin? I don't like you. Okay. It's really hard to shoot that thing down. Just shoot that thing to death. Whoa. Okay, I shot down the machine. Apparently not well enough. I shot down the machine. The machine's dead. I got the kill.
Tintin's the only one left in the game.
Really? And he's in a mega suit. Fight fire with fire. I'm not. Fight fire with fire, Alex. That's me, don't shoot. Where's Tintin? He's behind you. Help me fire. Friendly fire. Victory! I leveled up. 30 coins, people. 10 gems. Starting to make this game worthwhile.
Find Tintin, Paul.
It's only Tintin, so you know what we're gonna do? I'm leaving. Are you leaving?
What?
Leave.
Why?
It's only one person. It's not worth it anymore. Now we're gonna do a team fight, and we're gonna do it in Area 52 Labs. You there? You're in a team fight, Area 52 Labs. Keep going. Keep going. Let me make sure you're in team fight.
Team fight.
Okay. There it is. Ready? Go. Hey, yes, what team are you joining? You want to go versus or do team?
Let's see if I see you.
Good point. Well, what team are you joining? I'm joining blue. Join blue.
Done.
Are you in blue?
Yeah. Let's find each other.
You're not in here with me, man. Oh, wait, it was a new round. Let me check. No. But this is a pretty cool map. I'm on blue. Portal? Oh, they weren't kidding when they said portal. Whoa. Were you guys seeing that, or is that a glitch? Oh, it just jumps from room to room. Ow. Ah! You're here?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, man. Let's keep playing this round.
Found you.
You did? Where?
You're below.
Come down, quick. I'll go up.
That's me.
Where are you?
Oh, I found it. Incoming. Incoming. This is under attack.
It's not even our base. Ooh, he shot me down. And that was him. Good job, Bazooka. Out of here. Oh, shoot. Dead in an instant. Our base is being overrated. We're losing completely. Fix this. Oh, God. Screw it. No thanks.
My base. You get out.
Hey. I'm joining blue. Are you in blue? Good, I'm taking heavy fire, heavy fire. Heavy fire, heavy fire. We're taking severely heavy fire. I'm gonna shoot him from above. Hey, let me get my sniper. Getting my sniper.
Dude, our base is under attack. We got no machine. Great.
I shot him down for you. They don't know where I am. I'm sniping them.
Come in, bad boy.
Alex, it's a trap. It's a trap. The guy with the bazooka's on the other side. Oh my God, he has a chainsaw. That sounds pretty deadly. Good. How to snipe you? Ah, got him.
What the hell? She didn't shoot me.
Oh, those things? Yeah. Blue, pick blue. Whoa, he was shot down fast. I feel like I should most likely do something, but if I do, okay. Hello? AKS. We're taking fire. I need reinforcements. Come on. You're killing this. Good job. AKS, get back. I said get back. He has those fire orbs.
What do you think I'm trying to do?
Shoot him. Hey, man. Good job. Thanks, man. I took the fire for you. Probably not a good idea. Most likely not. Go, 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 Alex. Now's the chance. Now's the opportunity. We're taking fire. Heavy fire. Okay, cool. AKS, you're taking fire. I can't see from where. I can't. He just went by. He just went by. Good, we got him. They're growing. Oh God, he's back. He's back. He's heading up to our base. Woo! Yeah, man. Stay true to your color. You go inside. I'll hold up the back. I'm holding up Alex. They got one. He got one. He has a bow. He has a bow. He has a bow. Circle around him. Serpentine. I got him.
Good. Let's go into the base. No, incoming, incoming.
So it's an extremely long episode, and I'm afraid we're going to have to cut it here. And until next time, I see you later. Goodbye.